This is Dr. Bev Knox, and you are listening to my psychology tutorials, Learn Psychology While You Sleep. We are on Module 13F, The Nature of Gender, Our Biological Sex. How do sex hormones influence prenatal and adolescent sexual development? And what is the disorder of sexual development? Men and women employ similar solutions when faced with challenges: sweating to cool down, guzzling an energy drink or coffee to get going in the morning, or finding darkness and quiet space to sleep. When looking for a mate, men and women also prize many of the same traits. They prefer having a mate who is kind, honest, and intelligent. Biology does not dictate gender, but it can influence it in two ways. Genetically, males and females have different sex chromosomes. Physiologically, males and females have different concentrations of sex hormones which trigger other anatomical differences. These two sets of influences began to form you long before you were born, when your tiny body started developing in ways that determined your sex. Now let's talk about prenatal sexual development. 6 weeks after you were conceived, you and someone of the other sex looked much the same. Then, as your genes kicked in, your biological sex, determined by your 23rd pair of chromosomes, the two sex chromosomes, became more apparent. Whether you are male or female, your mother's contribution to that chromosome pair was an X chromosome. From your father, you received the one chromosome out of the 46 that is not unisex. So, X chromosome, let's talk about what that is. It is the sex chromosome found in both men and women. Females have 2 X chromosomes. Males have 1. An X chromosome from each parent produces a female child. X chromosomes. The sex chromosomes found in both men and women. Females have 2 X chromosomes. Males have 1. An X chromosome from each parent produces a female child. Now let's talk about Y chromosome. The sex chromosome found only in males. When paired with an X chromosome from the mother, it produces a male child. So we have X chromosomes and Y chromosome. And the Y chromosome is the sex chromosome only found in males. When paired with an Y chromosome from the mother, it produces a male child. Later during the 4th and 5th prenatal months, sex hormones bathe in the fetal brain and influence its wiring. Male-female differences emerge in the brain areas with abundant sex hormone receptors.